The Jamaican sun beat down on Lucilia's bare arms as she navigated the bustling campus of the University of the West Indies, Mona. Her thick afro curls bounced with each step, a vibrant declaration of her Jamaican pride. It was orientation week, and Lucilia, an eager sophomore, had volunteered to help the new international students. Her assignment: a group of bright-eyed, if slightly overwhelmed, students from the States. Eddie, Will, Kanye, and Beyoncé, Solange, Meghan Markle. Each of them clutched maps, looking lost amidst the explosion of bougainvillea and unfamiliar accents. "All right, y'all," Lucilia called out, her voice warm and melodic, a soothing contrast to the city's lively hum. "Welcome to Yard. I'm Lucilia, and I'm here to help you settle in." Eddie, the tallest of the group, managed a weak smile. "Hey, thanks. We're a little lost." "Lost is just the beginning of an adventure," Lucilia chuckled. "First things first, let's get you to your dorms. Then we're going to find you some proper Jamaican food. Ackee and saltfish, maybe? Curry goat? We gotta fuel up for all that studying." Over the next few days, Lucilia became their unofficial tour guide, translator, and cultural ambassador. She navigated the winding paths of the campus, pointing out the best study spots under the shade of mango trees and introducing them to the vibrant sounds of reggae spilling from the campus radio station. She patiently explained Jamaican patois, translating phrases like "Irie, everything's all right," and "Wagwan, what's up?" More importantly, Lucilia shared her Jamaica, her heart, with them. She took them to a local jerk chicken stand, where the air crackled with spice and laughter. She showed them the best place to watch the sunset over Kingston Harbor, the sky ablaze with fiery hues. She told them stories of her family, her dreams, and her deep love for her island home. One evening, as they sat on the steps of their dorm, the warm night air filled with the chirping of crickets, Solange looked at Lucilia. "Thank you," she said, her voice sincere. "We were all feeling so out of place, so far from home. You made us feel like we belong here." Will nodded in agreement. "Yeah, man. You really helped us out." Lucilia smiled, her eyes sparkling in the moonlight. "Jamaica is a place that embraces everyone," she said. "You're not just students here now. You're family. Welcome home." And in that moment, surrounded by the sounds and smells of their new home, they knew Lucilia was right. They were home, and they were finally at ease. The vibrant life of Jamaica, guided by the warm heart of an 18-year-old girl with wild afro curls, had embraced them all.